The miniature village continues to glow under the soft warmth of the rising sun, where every small detail feels alive yet unhurried. The air carries a gentle stillness, broken only by the faint sounds of movement, tiny footsteps on dusty paths, distant animal sounds, and the quiet rhythm of daily life beginning again. Inside the small mud house, the young miniature doll bride remains deeply engaged in her cooking routine, her actions steady and thoughtful, creating a calm flow that feels almost timeless. The kitchen holds a warm, comforting presence. The clay stove still carries a soft heat, and the gentle crackling of twigs continues underneath the iron pan. The paneer curry slowly simmers, its surface moving with small, quiet bubbles. Steam rises in thin, delicate waves, creating a soothing visual rhythm. The bride stands close, watching carefully, her attention fully focused. There's a quiet, emotional connection in the way she cooks. Every step reflects care, patience, and a sense of belonging to this simple life. She reaches for a small clay bowl filled with freshly chopped coriander leaves. Her hands move slowly as she sprinkles the leaves over the curry. The bright green color spreads softly across the rich, warm gravy, adding freshness to the dish. This small moment feels gentle and complete, like the final touch of something made with sincerity. She then lifts the pan carefully from the stove, placing it aside to rest. The flame beneath begins to fade, and the kitchen returns to a softer stillness. Nearby, the dough rests quietly on a small surface. She begins kneading it again with slow, rhythmic movements. Her fingers press and fold the dough gently, creating a soft, smooth texture. The action is repetitive but calming, almost like a quiet routine that brings comfort. She divides the dough into small portions, rolling each one into tiny balls before flattening them into thin circles. The rolling pin moves slowly, creating even shapes with careful precision. The flat pan is placed back on the stove, and one by one the rotis are cooked. Each roti rises slightly as it heats, forming small brown spots that show it is ready. She flips them gently, ensuring they cook evenly on both sides. The smell of freshly cooked roti fills the small kitchen, blending with the aroma of the paneer curry. The combination creates a warm and satisfying feeling, a quiet reward for the careful work done. Outside, the village continues its gentle rhythm. A bicycle passes slowly along the narrow path. A villager carries a bundle of goods, walking without hurry. Animals rest in shaded areas, their movements slow and relaxed. The environment remains peaceful, untouched by noise or rush. The world feels balanced and grounded, where everything moves at its own natural pace. Back in the courtyard, the bride begins arranging the meal. She places the paneer curry into a small clay bowl, the thick gravy settling smoothly around the soft cubes of paneer. The rotis are stacked neatly beside it. She carries the food carefully to a low wooden platform, placing everything with quiet precision. The presentation is simple, yet it carries a sense of completeness and care. The husband approaches slowly and sits beside her. There's no urgency, no exchange of words, only a shared understanding in the quiet moment. They begin to eat together, tearing small pieces of roti and dipping them into the curry. Each movement is slow and natural, reflecting a peaceful routine rather than a hurried meal. The act of eating becomes part of the calm atmosphere, blending into the stillness of the village. There is a subtle emotional warmth in this shared space. It is not expressed through words or dramatic gestures, but through presence and routine. The effort of cooking, the patience of preparation, and the simplicity of sharing a meal all come together in this moment. It feels grounded, real, and quietly fulfilling. As the sun rises higher, the light becomes brighter, touching every corner of the village. The shadows shorten and the day moves forward without disruption. The kitchen remains still now, with utensils placed neatly and the stove cooling down slowly. A faint trace of warmth lingers in the air, along with the gentle memory of the cooking process. The couple finishes their meal calmly, leaving the plates aside. There's no rush to move, no pressure to begin something new immediately. Instead, there's a pause, a moment of quiet rest that allows the experience to settle. Around them, the village continues its steady rhythm, unchanged and peaceful. This miniature world reflects a deeper emotional calm, where life is built on simple routines and quiet connections. Every action, from preparing ingredients to sharing a meal, carries a sense of purpose without stress. It's a life where time flows gently, and even the smallest moments feel meaningful. In the stillness of the courtyard, with soft light and quiet surroundings, the day continues as it always does, slow, steady,